Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have Ipsy. Let's get into it and check it out. It's just the original glam bag. Ipsy Glambag is the OG Ipsy bag. This is my November. I don't know if we're still in November, fingers crossed. This is my November bag and it is 5 products. It is $14. You will choose one of the products. They will be deluxe samples. There is a chance that you will have full-size products like I always say, for example, brushes, nail polishes, periodically lippies, those kinds of things. Let's just slide everything on out of here. Ooh, it's a pretty bag. I might put that in my bigger bag for the, ooh, nice wristlet too, for the holidays. I kind of like that. It's kind of snakeskin and gray. Speaking of brushes, I think that was my choice. We do generally get paperwork with our glam bags. Sometimes they have our information in them, sometimes they do not, but I have Mr. iPad up here. Don't need it for this one though, because the inside does have a little bit of information about everything we receive. This is glow off the winter. Winter's turning up the chill, so we're turning up the sparkle. You've got places to be and your favorite people to see this holiday season, so keep your skin merry and bright and make sure your glam outshines the tinsel. I added Christmas trees for the holidays. Okay, nope, the brush wasn't my choice. So this is the brush. What is it? It is a BYOD blush brush. This blush brush has what it takes to conquer any and every blush trend with ease and precision. The synthetic fibers are super soft and gentle on the cheeks, picking up and distributing your powder, cream, and liquid blushes like a pro. And they say it has an $18 value. I mean, it's soft, but 18 feels a little generous. Just saying. That's what the bottom looks like. And it's got kind of a woody feel to it. I'm gonna go ahead and leave that on there because I don't particularly, I'm keeping it because I'm much better at changing brushes than washing brushes, but I don't need it right this minute. I have asked for one of the merit kits for Christmas. If I do by chance receive it as one of my Christmas gifts, I will share it all with you guys. But anyway, I'm gonna use new brushes for that because it's all cream. So I might set this aside for a cream brush. Next out, blush, cream blush brush. This is Fimu Brilliant Cleansing, my lips aren't working today. Brilliant Cleansing Gel, Gentle Face Wash. It is 1.5 mLs or half an ounce. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand. It says it is a gentle botanical-based gel cleanser. It's slightly acidic to keep your skin's pH level in check. It's also formulated with nutrient-rich blueberry extract, that's fun, to wash away oil, dirt, and pollution without stripping your skin's natural oils, while the floral scent helps lift your mind and lift your mood and calm your mind. Not sure what I'm lifting and calming. This would be $52 if we had a full size, which is 125 ml. We have let's just say a little less than a tenth of that. So this is, yeah, $4 or $5 worth. Oh, it's sealed. Can't smell it. Oh, that's nice. Floral? Herbal. I'm going to show it to you, but it's clear, so you probably can't see it. I'm going to argue for herbal, not floral. It smells really nice regardless. It does smell spa-like, so I get the lifting your mood and calming your mind part. Next out, I have a Goldfaden Eye Defy. Boy, I can't read that. That is what the tube looks like, and it says it is the Eye Defy Radiance Restoring Eye Treatment. This concentrated eye treatment works overtime to help bring back the under eyes of your teenage self. It's going to have to work really hard. I think they're aiming that at much younger people than myself. It's formulated with a peptide complex to help rewind the clock by reducing the look of fine lines, wrinkles, and crepey looking skin. I was just thinking when it said rewind the clock, I could see in Back to the Future the DeLorean taking off to try and help me out. If it was full-sized, it would be 15 ml and $85. This is 5 ml. Is that right? Wasn't this 15 ml? This little fella is 15 ml. So this would be $85 worth if it was this. This is a third of that. So that's still really expensive if a person could do math. Like $28-ish. Wow. You know what? I'm doing everything I can with my eyes these days. Next out, what is it? I have a Huda Beauty One Coat. Wow. That's what that looks like. I am intrigued by the look of it. I think it's going to be a mascara. We're going to open it. Huda Beauty One Coat Wow Mini Mascara. Ever wonder how to get your lashes looking long, luscious, and lifted sky high? Yes, actually. All you need is one coat of this gravity-defying, I'm going to work really hard not to break out into Wicked right now. Its dual-sided brush stretches, defines, and curls each lash for bold impact and maximum drama in just one swipe. Wiggle the wand upwards and pull through your lashes. This is the travel size and it has a $13 value. You guys know I love a tubing mascara, but I also love trying new mascaras. So I think that I will try this. Oh, I love the brush. It's one of the pokey plastic ones instead of the bristly ones. And I have such short lashes. Short. And like you don't know what short is. Short. And such a small eye space that the ones that are real bristly, you know, this is like with bristles, like Alexandria Ryan always loves the bristly ones. And if it has the curve, she loves that. I can't use either of those things because this is all so small and tight that the short really works better for me. Doesn't smell like anything. So I am very excited to try this. I haven't tried a regular mascara in quite some time. I just did couple months ago. I did a review of all of the tubing mascaras like 10 maybe. And I'm still working my way through a bunch of those. So it's going to be a while. This will be a fun respite is my point. And last, and as it turns out, this is my choice. And I guess I probably knew it would be completely clear, but I don't remember knowing that. That is what it looks like. It's Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it is the Crystal. Contextually, that might have been my first clue. Crystal lip gloss in glass. I'm not saying there weren't a couple of things that would have told me it was completely clear. I just didn't remember that. The crystal clear high lacquered gloss coats your lips in next level shine without feeling sticky. It's the perfect peach flavored topper over your favorite lippies and acts as a smooth base on your bare lips. The full-size version of this has a $20 value. It is 4.1 ml. There's no way that I will find words on the back of that will tell us how many mLs these are. I'm not sure if I want this or if I want to pass it along to one of my girls. Let's see how peachy it is. It's very peachy. I just don't think I'll use it. I use colors, and you guys have seen lately, I have been using the City Beauty Lip Plumping Gloss. I use it at least once a day because it not only plumps your lips in the using it, it works to keeping your lips more plump over time, which I absolutely think it's doing. Plus, I have the Higher Collective, which is what I have on now for taping purposes. I have the Higher Collective Truest in both the lipstick and the lip. I point to say, I have all of the lipsticks and lip glosses that I need right now. I am very happy with it. So one of my girls will love this. And it's an extra special treat that it's peach flavored because I did not know that. Okay, that was my Ipsy Glambag. I'm sorry. That was a good bag. I have my Anastasia lip gloss. That's fantastic. The Gold Fadden to try under eye, but even at that, it had like a $20-something value. I'm so happy to try this Huda. Let me know below if you've used it, if you liked it. Tell me what warnings I need to have. But the Huda Wow mascara, very happy to try it. This cleanser smells amazing. I'm gonna try it. And I'm sorry, but you can't ever go wrong with a brush. This is $14. I'm in no way sponsored by Ipsy. I just love the Ipsy bags. I've gotten them. It's what I started my channel with, the Ipsy Glambag. $14, you get to try 5 things. I have well over $14 in this little goodie bag. Plus the bag is super cute this month. It might become my cosmetic bag for the month. Okay, thank you so much for coming by, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I hope I will see you again soon. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Have a great evening. I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season. Take care, guys.